Imagine a toy that lets kids say an idea out loud and hold it in their hands seconds later. That's Stickerbox, an AI-powered sticker printer that surprised me way more than I expected. Most AI toys feel gimmicky. This one doesn't. It turns imagination into something physical without replacing creativity, and that balance is honestly rare. Before we go deeper, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. It really helps the channel grow. Stickerbox comes from a Brooklyn startup called Hapico. It's a bright red $99.99 box with a white button and a simple screen. You press the button, describe anything you want, and it prints a sticker using a thermal, ink-free printer. It ships with 180 stickers, colored pencils, and BPA and BPS-free paper. What makes it fun is that kids don't need to think about prompts or structure. They just talk. Long kid brain rambles like a lizard riding a skateboard eating ice cream work perfectly. They get immediate dopamine from seeing their idea appear, and then they slow down and color it. It's the kind of tech that actually brings kids back into the real world instead of keeping them glued to a screen. Stickerbox exists because co-founder Bob Whitney watched his son light up when he printed a tiger eating ice cream using ChatGPT. That moment of pure magic became the product. Whitney and CEO Arun Gupta, both former leaders at Grailed, built Stickerbox specifically for kids, with guardrails that block harmful content and redirect questionable prompts into harmless images. Refills are cheap at $5.99 for 180 more stickers, and because the device is Wi-Fi connected, it keeps getting updates. A companion app is on the way to save creations, and may eventually support premium features. Investors are already betting big, with $7 million backing the company from Maveron, Serena Ventures, and the Allen Institute's AI2 incubator. Stickerbox might be one of the first AI toys that actually enhances creativity instead of replacing it. If you want to dive deeper, watch the related video in the corner. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment so you never miss the next breakdown. Your support fuels every video on this channel.